Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be walking you through the process of cancelling your TransUnion membership. We will go step by step so you can easily follow along. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your account. First, head over to the TransUnion website and log into your account. Enter your username and password, then click on the sign in button. Step 2. Access your account dashboard. Once you are logged in from here, then you will land on your account dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your TransUnion account. Then step 3, locate subscription settings. Now look for the My Account section. You can typically find this in the top navigation menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Now step 4, view membership details. In the My Account section, locate the Membership or Subscription tab. Click on it to view the details of your current membership plan. Now step 5, initiate cancellation. Here you will find an option to cancel your membership. It might be labeled as cancel subscription or end membership. Click on this option to proceed. Step 6, follow cancellation prompts. TransUnion may ask for a reason for your cancellation to offer additional information. Follow the prompts and provide any necessary information. Step 7, confirm cancellation. After completing the prompts, you will reach the confirmation page. Carefully review the details and confirm your cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. The best way is connect with them through their support system. In their contact us page, you can find their phone number to speak to a customer representative. Call them and it's free, and a customer representative will connect with you soon. Then you can talk with them about the cancellation process. They will be glad to help you. In this page you also find a instruction about the cancellation. They also says to navigate the manage account option. Then they prefer to connect with their customer representative and complete the cancellation process. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your TransUnion membership. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.